Well, one, there again, you know. I have some things to deal with in the morning, so I got show now a quick, easy breakfast recipe. Breakfast is one of the most important things to your day. So make sure you're getting in the breakfast you eat. And even if you're in a rush and thing, I'm gonna show you a quick, easy recipe that you can deal with right before you left out to go work, deal with the errands them and thing. So yeah, join me in the kitchen. Alright, so for today's recipe, I don't even know what to call this, but I just know that it's a really quick and simple breakfast. So right here we're gonna use some Hawaiian sweet rolls. Yeah? Them really good. I mean, if you know what is Hawaiian sweet rolls, you know say yo, them are the best. Right? And here's so we're gonna have some butter. It's about a tablespoon of butter, and we're gonna use about a tablespoon of honey. I got 2 scrambled eggs right here. And we have some Vienna sausage, some chicken, hot and spicy sausage, and we cut them in a half, right? And we have some sharp cheddar cheese, shredded, and 2 slices of mozzarella cheese. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we have the tablespoon of butter, and we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of honey to it, right? And then we're just gonna put this on the flame so that it can melt out and emulsify. Everything can come together as one. You're gonna see when we use this later. Alright? So now that they're on the fire, I'll cut the bread in a half. So let's take a Hawaiian sweet roll, cut it straight across in the half. Yeah. See? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do now is put on the mozzarella cheese. Well, the bottom right or so. So boom, mozzarella cheese. And put a little bit of the cheddar cheese on the bottom too. I mean, just spread it out. Cause I like it nice and cheesy, You know what I mean? Real quick, nice and cheesy. Alright, so now the cheese there. Remember say a 4 piece of Hawaiian roll. So I'm gonna put on 2 Vienna sausage, 2 halves, which is 1 for each roll. See? So just do a little thing like that. I never cut that. Alright. Easy. Quick. Alright, now we're gonna put on the eggs. So I'm gonna make some little scrambled eggs, not too long. I'm gonna just put it on. Butter over there and bubble up. And make sure you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Cause at the oven we are gonna put all of this in. You see? So preheat your oven 400 degrees. And make sure you have a nice pan we can go in at the oven. You see? Because what I'm gonna be using is a cast iron skillet. Cool? Alright. So I go now and drop back. No, I could do the cheddar cheese on top right also. So cheddar cheese on top. And then we put on the mozzarella. Boom. And then we cover it now with this. Just the same way how you cut it. See? And then now we're gonna just put it right in the pan, in the cast iron skillet. So it look like this in the cast iron. See? So now what we're gonna do is the butter. The butter will have a melt out. See how quick the butter done melt and something. And then have the honey and the sweetness. I just pour this right over the top of it. So it's nice and buttery and sweet. You know? Alright. So now we're gonna just throw this in the oven. 400 degrees, 5 minutes, real quick, and we're gonna eat some breakfast. See?